Today's gonna be a crazy video because we're gonna try to fly information with both our jets and FPV.
So what we did, we bought 2 Wi-Fi link RunCam cameras. We're gonna be testing how well we can fly together, and then we're also gonna do a drag race in the air. Well, that's only if everything goes to plan. We started plugging in the planes, but we ran into a problem. The quality on the FPV cameras is a lot worse than we expected. Like this one's like hours behind, and mine is just like not even working. So I don't know, there's nothing we can really do. We're just gonna fly line of sight, or we're gonna try to just fly beside each other. So I hand launched David's DIY jet into the air and then took off with my F-16. Alright, we're up as well. Alright.
Oh shit, the Elevon's still a little jittery.
You're flying so fast right now, bro. Like, calm it down, calm it down.
Oh wait, am I going fast as fuck?
Yeah, bro, holy shit.
Oh yeah, I was going fast as fuck.
Alright, try and chase me. Try and chase me.
Okay, I'm chasing.
This is sick. Bro, 2 jets in the air. Holy shit. Dream come true right now. Bro. Oh my god, bro. We would not survive an FPV, bro.
You. Wait, I'm gonna go further out. You turn early.
Alright.
And come behind you. I'll definitely see you there. Oh. I think I'm above you.
Yeah, do you have a timer set?
Yeah, a little bit.
Doing a little bit.
Fuck.
Yeah. Don't go
it's
too.
the Elevon. It's the Elevon. I keep forgetting it's strong as shit. We got focused on flying.
Yeah, no, focus on flying. I like thinking about landing right now.
It's windy as fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, Dave, where are you gonna land and how are you gonna land?
From that side.
Alright. So I need to like actually hit the runway, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get behind you.
You land, David, you land first when you're gonna land, okay?
Another flyby, I'm gonna try to get behind you.
Okay. I don't know how much battery I have.
I'm chasing.
I like to
start landing slowly.
Here, you land after this lap and I'll come in behind you.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, I think I'm low power.
Oh shit, okay, I'm coming in.
Because my F-16 was flying terribly, I had to come in for an emergency landing. And soon after, David landed as well. It's okay. Oh, they just cut the grass, so it's fine. Let's go. Oh my god, one piece. It's in one piece. That was so sketchy. Yeah, I don't know if I was low power, if it's just the weight of the things. Like, I don't think I'm low power because it was so short. At the end, like, I had like almost no control of the plane.
Oh, no, dude, I thought you weren't gonna clear the tree line.
Yeah, neither did I.
Neither did I.
After a quick charge, we went up for a second flight.
Okay.
Oh. Alright. I'm up.
Okay.
Holy shit, your thing is so fast.
Oh fuck, wait. wait, okay, I gotta slow down. Wait, is that full Hugo?
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I'm only gone a quarter, bro. I'm trying to... I'm like going so fucking slow.
Alright, here.
Wait, that's full speed?
Yep.
There's no fucking shot. Oh fuck! Wait, I just did a barrel roll.
Wait, what?
No shit.
There's no way.
Wait, did I? What the fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna try to do a flyby.
Wait,
Buzz the tower.
Yeah, let's do flybys. I'll try to catch up after. And then we can compare the speed.
Oh, it's still fast as shit. Just compared to yours, it was definitely slower.
Okay, I'm going fast.
Holy shit, bro.
Wait, I gotta go slower. It's like shaking at full speed again. It's just so fast.
Bro.
Wait, this thing is so fun to fly. Holy fuck. Okay, I'm gonna fly by. Okay, I'm gonna go half speed. Holy fuck, that looks sick. Woo! This is so fun. But you know, I need to swim up a lot. That's so much downswim right now.
I feel like mine's been flying as fast as it was before with the landing gear. I might just have to hand launch. I'm not gonna lie.
It was faster without, right?
Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I feel like I'm stalling out like in the turns a lot.
No way down. I remember being way faster.
Yeah.
There's no way my...
I don't know. I don't like it. I'm not gonna lie. It's like in the turns I almost stall out.
Dude, I need trim down. I need trim up so much. Holy
It's like
fuck.
I can't even go down like on.
Wait, wait, let's actually move a bit because I'm actually going fast as fuck. I don't want to hit so much. If something goes wrong, I can actually kill you, bro. Holy shit.
Okay, I might have to bring it in again. I'm not gonna lie. I don't. Okay, here I'll land first. You stay in the air.
I'm just gonna fly by again. Billy, after you land.
No.
Okay, fine, next plane, next plane.
Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck was that?
I don't pay attention that happens.
Wait, what?
Wait, is this loud?
It just did a fucking barrel roll and caught itself.
Wait, did you catch that?
Yeah. I'll just watch it, bro. Oh my.
No, it's cause.
Bro,
Oh shit, I'm out. I'm landing.
Alright, yeah, no good. Holy shit, dude, it's so big. What the?
Oh! Grace! Wait, do you see me? What the fuck? I almost killed them.
No, dude, my heart fucking dropped. I thought I was ready to just jump out of the fucking way.
What happens is that when I do like, if I don't pay attention, the ailerons are actually strong as fuck.
Yeah.
If I accidentally hit them both,
Yeah.
it spins over and the gyro can't catch up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a solo flight with the I don't know how it survived this long. This is a miracle, but we got another flight out of it, so we're gonna go.
On the last flight, it did like a weird barrel roll kind of thingy, so
We're gonna try to capture it, yeah.
Thing, that'd be sick, but hopefully it doesn't.
But it probably won't happen because I'm gonna be locked in the whole time. Cause like last time I was looking at the F-16 and then when I wasn't paying attention, it was just spinning out of control.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, you'll have to handy. Yeah.
Let me start recording.
Yeah. Yeah, two-hand it.
There you go.
Strap the cam. Okay.
It's always so sketchy.
Yeah.
But it's flying so much.
No. Once you get in the air. Wait, this thing is fast as fuck.
Dude, like, oh my god.
Wait, should I do some slow? Like, I'll do a fast flyby. Oh!
And there it goes.
Wait, I lost control of it there. Holy shit. Wait, that explode. That was a hard hit. That was a hard hit. This is scattered.
Oh my god, bro.
Honestly, what happened was that, again, I started like not paying attention and I did this and it just flipped over.
Yeah, I mean.
That's exactly what I was doing before too.
Dude,
No, honestly, I think it was the rudder. I think that was the issue. Okay, but look.
Dude, the rudder's just gone.
Wait. Look at the hole. Look at the hole.
Oh,
No, I swear, I think the rudder might have been loose during that flight.
That's wild. Thank you everyone for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.